Hello everyone, this is Noor welcoming you all to my channel Lightly Noor. I carry 6+ years of corporate experience, and in this channel I talk about IT news and updates, job and interview tips, life and lifestyle lessons. So if you are interested in any of these, consider subscribing to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about 5 free technical courses for the beginners. We will discuss the details about the program, the certification, the duration. So watch this video till the end if you are an aspiring developer or a coder who is hunting for a free online course. All the 5 courses which we are going to discuss now is sponsored by edX, and it is absolutely free. You would also get a certification after the completion of the course. Alright, let's get started. The first one on my list is Intro to HTML. If you are looking to expand your web development knowledge by learning how to write and apply HTML code, then enroll to this course right away to see how you can use HTML to build better websites or improve them. It is an online 1-week course. You would get a certification at the end of the course. The second one which I have for you is Learn Linux Command Line. If you are looking to get into cybersecurity or IT, learning Linux Command Line would be a great starting point. Linux Command Line powers much of the internet infrastructure. Learning basic security command line can help you advance your cybersecurity career. Gaining highly marketable skill in this free, no-risk introductory course is a win-win situation. This is again an online self-study course of 1 week, and you will get a certification at the end. The third which I have for you is Learn SQL. If you are looking to get into data analytics, SQL would be a great starting point. SQL or structured query language is used for cleaning and analyzing data stored in a database. It is again an online self-study and a 1-week course. After the completion, you will get a certification. The fourth which I have for you is Intro to GitHub. GitHub is a code storage and collaboration service that is used by over 100 million software developers to build and maintain their software. So if you are interested in collaborating more efficiently on coding project, then this free course to GitHub may be just what you need. It is again an online self-study course of 1 week with a certification. The fifth and the final one which I have for you is Introduction to Cybersecurity by Harvard University. In Introduction to Cybersecurity, you will learn how to protect your own data, devices and systems from today's threat, and how to recognize and evaluate tomorrow's as well. The course presents both high-level and low-level examples of threat, providing students with all they need to know technically to understand both. Assignment inspired by real-world events. It is an online self-study and a 6 weeks course, and at the end you would get a certification from Harvard University. With this we come to the end of the video. I hope this video was informative. If yes, then press that like button so that it helps the video reach to a larger audience and could be helpful for them too. Thank you so much for watching me. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, good luck and stay tuned.